Welcome to ProfitTube, where insights turn into profit. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the gig economy, honing in on how to thrive as an online freelancer. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably at home, sipping on a cup of hot coffee, and working on a project for a client halfway across the globe. The clock doesn't dictate your schedule, you do. This, dear listeners, isn't a distant dream, but the reality of millions around the world who have tapped into the gig economy. The gig economy, an environment where temporary, flexible jobs are the norm and companies hire independent contractors and freelancers instead of full-time employees, has seen an exponential rise. It's a world that thrives on freedom, flexibility, and the boundless opportunities the internet provides. So, how does one navigate this dynamic landscape and emerge as a successful online freelancer? Firstly, identify your skills. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, or a coding wizard? The gig economy thrives on a wide array of skills, and there's a good chance yours are in demand. Next, build a portfolio. Showcase your work, your skills, and your successes. This becomes your calling card in the online world, connecting you with potential clients and opportunities. Remember, communication is key. You might be working in your pajamas, but professionalism should never take a backseat. Clear, timely communication fosters trust, ensuring a steady stream of projects and a strong reputation. Finally, keep learning. The digital world changes at a breakneck pace. Staying updated and constantly upskilling can set you apart in a sea of freelancers. Now, thriving in the gig economy isn't just about financial gain. It's about the freedom to choose projects that align with your passions, the flexibility to work when you want, and the joy of connecting with diverse clients from around the globe. But remember, every rose has its thorns. The gig economy comes with its own set of challenges. Unsteady income, lack of benefits, and isolation are just a few. Yet, with careful planning, these hurdles can be overcome, paving the way for a rewarding freelance career. As we wrap up our journey into the gig economy, remember this. Being an online freelancer can be as challenging as it is rewarding. But with the right skills, a bit of patience, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, you can carve out your own path in this burgeoning landscape. Thank you for tuning in to ProfitTube, where we unravel the secrets of the gig economy, one video at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing,